Hey everyone, welcome to Flex and Shred. Today, we are going to be talking about how to weight loss rate to overcome weight loss plateau. Make sure to watch till the end because the fourth insight shared in this video is the one you probably don't take too seriously, but it is a big deal in overcoming weight loss plateau. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so we can help you more on how to lose weight, stay healthy, always. Let's dive right into it. First and foremost, let's define weight loss plateau in a layman's term. A weight loss plateau is when your body stops losing weight despite sticking to your usual diet and exercise routine. It's a point where progress slows down or stalls, even though you're still trying to lose weight. That's the layman's definition. If you have a contrary definition, let me know in the comment section. Moving on. A weight loss plateau can be a frustrating obstacle, especially when you've been making consistent progress and suddenly stop seeing results. Plateaus are a common part of any weight loss journey because, over time, the body adapts to your eating and exercise routines, making it harder to continue losing weight at the same rate. However, reaching a plateau doesn't mean you've hit a permanent wall. It simply signals the need for strategic adjustments to reignite fat loss and keep progressing toward your goals. By modifying your approach, whether by changing your diet, increasing workout intensity, or focusing on key lifestyle factors, you can overcome this plateau and continue losing weight effectively. In this video, we explore 4 proven methods to break through a weight loss plateau and accelerate your fat-burning efforts, ensuring that you remain on track to achieve your fitness goals while maintaining a healthy and sustainable approach. The first method is by adjusting your caloric intake. Overcoming a weight loss plateau often begins with reassessing your caloric intake. As you lose weight, your body requires fewer calories to function because a smaller body mass burns fewer calories at rest. If you continue consuming the same amount of food as when you started your weight loss journey, you may no longer create a sufficient calorie deficit, leading to a plateau. To break through, start by recalculating your daily caloric needs based on your current weight, activity level, and goals. You may need to slightly reduce your calorie intake to align with your new body size. Focus on nutrient-dense foods like vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats to maximize satiety and nutrition without excessive calories. Cutting out empty calories from sugary drinks, processed snacks, and high-fat foods can make a big difference in getting the scale moving again. However, be cautious not to drastically reduce your calorie intake, as going too low can backfire. Extreme calorie restriction can slow metabolism, lead to muscle loss, and increase feelings of fatigue, making it harder to stick to your routine. Instead, make gradual, sustainable changes to your diet to ensure continued fat loss. Number 2 is increasing exercise intensity. Increasing exercise intensity is an effective way to break through a weight loss plateau. Over time, your body adapts to the same workouts, which can lead to a decrease in calorie burn. To reignite fat loss, you need to challenge your body by increasing the intensity or variety of your exercises. One of the best ways to do this is by incorporating high-intensity interval training, HIIT, into your routine. HIIT involves alternating between short bursts of intense activity and brief periods of rest, pushing your body to burn more calories in a shorter amount of time. For example, you can add sprints, jumping jacks, or burpees between sets of your regular workout. Another approach is to gradually increase the resistance or weight in strength training exercises. Lifting heavier weights challenges muscles and promotes muscle growth, which helps boost metabolism and burn fat. Additionally, adding more cardio or trying new forms of exercise, like swimming or cycling, can help shake things up. Changing up your exercise routine not only helps overcome plateaus, but also keeps you mentally engaged and motivated. By continuously challenging your body, you can break the stagnation and keep progressing toward your weight loss goals. The next method is by focusing on strength training. Strength training plays a crucial role in overcoming a weight loss plateau and achieving long-term fat loss. While many people associate weight loss primarily with cardio exercises, incorporating regular strength training into your routine can provide significant benefits that help boost fat loss, particularly when progress slows down. Building lean muscle mass is one of the most effective ways to increase your resting metabolic rate, meaning you burn more calories even even when you're not working out. Muscle tissue requires more energy to maintain than fat tissue, so the more muscle you build, the higher your daily calorie burn becomes. This increased metabolic activity can help break through a plateau, allowing your body to continue losing fat. When strength training, focus on compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, push-ups, and lunges, which engage multiple muscle groups at once. These exercises not only build muscle, but also burn a significant number of calories during and after your workout. To maximize the benefits, gradually increase the weight or resistance as your strength improves. This progressive overload ensures your muscles are consistently challenged and growing. In addition to its fat-burning benefits, strength training improves overall body composition by toning muscles and reducing the appearance of fat. Aim to incorporate strength training at least 2 to 3 times per week, alternating with cardio or high-intensity interval training, HIT, for a balanced workout routine. By prioritizing strength training, you can overcome weight loss plateaus and enjoy a stronger, leaner body while continuing to progress toward your fitness goals. The fourth method, which I told you that you probably don't too serious, but it is a big deal, is by improving sleep and stress management. Yes, you heard me right. National Institutes of Health research shows that inadequate sleep and chronic stress can lead to hormonal imbalances, particularly increased levels of cortisol, which is associated with weight gain and fat retention, especially in the abdominal area. This scientific fact underscores the critical role sleep and stress management play in maintaining a healthy weight and overcoming weight loss plateaus. When the body is deprived of sleep, it affects 2 key hormones, ghrelin and leptin, which regulate hunger and satiety. Ghrelin, the hunger hormone, increases when you're sleep deprived, making you feel hungrier. Meanwhile, leptin, which signals fullness, decreases. This imbalance can lead to overeating, making it difficult to maintain a calorie deficit necessary for fat loss. Getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night is crucial to maintaining hormonal balance and supporting your weight loss efforts. In addition to sleep, stress management plays an equally vital role. Chronic stress triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that promotes fat storage, particularly in the abdominal area. Elevated cortisol levels not only encourage fat retention, but also increase cravings for high-calorie, sugary foods, leading to poor dietary choices. This cycle can stall your progress and contribute to weight gain over time. Implementing effective stress management techniques such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, yoga, or even regular physical activity can help lower cortisol levels and promote a more balanced, healthy lifestyle. Incorporating proper stress management into your daily routine also prevents emotional eating, a common response to stress. Emotional eating can sabotage your weight loss goals by causing you to consume unnecessary calories in response to feelings of anxiety or frustration. To improve sleep quality and manage stress effectively, establish a relaxing bedtime routine that includes activities such as reading, stretching, or practicing mindfulness meditation. Limit exposure to screens and bright lights before bed, as these can disrupt melatonin production, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep. Prioritize self-care practices that reduce daily stress, such as taking short breaks, engaging in hobbies, or practicing gratitude. By focusing on sleep and stress management, you can support your body's natural fat-burning processes, improve your overall well-being, and break through any weight loss plateaus you may encounter. In conclusion, studies have shown that sustainable weight loss requires a comprehensive approach, addressing not just diet and exercise, but also sleep, stress management, and behavioral factors. This fact highlights the importance of considering multiple aspects of health in your weight loss journey, especially when faced with a plateau. Breaking through a weight loss plateau can be challenging, but it is an essential part of the journey toward achieving your health and fitness goals. By employing a multifaceted strategy that includes adjusting caloric intake, increasing exercise intensity, focusing on strength training, and improving sleep and stress management, you can effectively reignite your weight loss efforts and continue making progress. Start by evaluating your caloric needs and making necessary adjustments to create a sustainable calorie deficit. This might involve being more mindful of portion sizes or eliminating empty calories from your diet. Pair this with higher intensity workouts that challenge your body in new ways, such as incorporating HIIT or increasing resistance during strength training sessions. These changes not only promote fat loss, but also keep your workouts engaging and prevent boredom. Additionally, Prioritize building lean muscle through regular strength training. Increased muscle mass boosts your metabolism, making it easier to lose weight over time. Finally, don't underestimate the significance of sleep and stress management. Both play a critical role in hormonal balance, appetite regulation, and overall well-being. By embracing a holistic approach to weight loss, you empower yourself to overcome plateaus and achieve sustainable results. Remember that progress is not always linear. It may require time, patience, and adaptability. Celebrate small victories along the way and stay committed to your goals. Trust the process and know that with the right strategies in place, you can break through barriers and move closer to a healthier, fitter version of yourself. In a nutshell, take control of your weight loss journey by integrating these essential components into your lifestyle. Each element supports the others, creating a foundation for lasting change. By addressing your diet, exercise, sleep, and stress levels, you can navigate plateaus with confidence and resilience. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos on the best ways to lose weight, gain muscle in general, and much more. Check out my channel for more of my insights on how weight loss and muscle gain plateau can be overcome, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.